Hey guys, stripping gears here. I'm at Mount Morris today. I'm gonna have Back to the Bricks pre-tune-up party. I'm gonna see what I can get, with some Beatles copyright music going. It's gonna be tough. Anyways, enjoy the show. Let's get at it. I'm gonna kind of pan around to see what you got. I just missed a big nasty 66, 67 Nova that's making some noises, as they say. Let's see if I can get in there and maybe get at it. Yeah. Got this old guy. Like I said, I don't know what it is, but let's see if it has the four plates. No, it's doing. Oh, okay. Yep, great. Yeah, we're gonna get her, guys. I'm gonna kind of go back and forth this. I'm gonna just kind of get around the crowd a little bit. Just giving you a heads up. I'm running right into frickin' buzzsaw, guys. Just giving you a heads up. You got Beatles music. Good luck on that. Let me do this. We got this guy. This is the nasty that just made some noise, but how about that, guys? I'm gonna pan this way, guys, a little bit. We saw that last year, but still. Gonna pan back and forth, guys. Guy's sketching away. You could say he's kind of sketchy. Hey guys, I'll give you a little extra shot. You'll be on TV later tonight, at least on YouTube. I'm going to buzzsaw hell right now, guys. Just give me a heads up.
Hey, let's do a quick sound check.
I want that lead sled. It even says that lead sled. Oh yeah, let's see what we got. This is a good turnout tonight, guys. I'm gonna do this, guys. It's kind of a tough act to follow because I got the music just about ready to start. You got the jukebox playing Trombolese, it sounds like. You're gonna see a little bit of everything, guys. Yeah, like I said, I don't edit anything. I'm sure I'm gonna be bombed out by YouTube with their copyrighted music, but it is what it is. Yeah. Hey guys. Like I said, I'm in bounce off. Yeah, there's some nice rides here tonight, guys. This is a perfect night. It's crazy. I'm gonna fan it in, fan it out. There's some coop. Like I said, I kind of dissed that guy that had one in Fort Huron, but actually he has it. He has the bones. And here's this beast. Saw this in Vassar last week, guys. It's probably one of my favorite cars. Ricky and Carol's car. Yeah. The only thing that would probably be anything that I would change, and I wouldn't do it now, but maybe put the houndstooth interior in it. That'd be the only thing that you could upgrade on it, maybe. And this, like I said, I'm paying its due. It has a nice interior in it. Yeah, a bunch. I'm going, like I said, I am in buzzsaw hell with this YouTube stuff, guys. I mean, it can't get any louder. Can't have any better music than that. How about that, guys? I'm just gonna pan a little bit what you're seeing, what I'm seeing. Of course, I got the stuffies. Like I said, it used to be big on the dice. Now it's all in the stuffies, guys. See that? You know. And then you got this. Yeah. How about that, guys? That's a style I'm not really into. I like the C10s, so it's early 71, 68 through 72 maybe. There's a big old stuffy. See that, guys? There's the Firebird, but I mean, it has the bones, like I said. This is actually a nice little show tonight. It's people involved, they're engaged. Look at those hubcaps, that's nuts. And then you got this Buick little Skyhawk or whatever. Sanford and Sons. I'm gonna tell you something about this thing, guys. I saw this last year here. Like, oh, it's a rust bucket, it's a piece of junk. You gotta hear that motor run. That is like all meat, all taters, guys. How about this? Skyhawk. You just don't see them. They're the same as a Monza. My half cousin had one of these back in the day. It competed against the Mustang too. I think it's a little faster. Yeah, it's 305 and I don't think it's 350. That's a real nice Monty. Check that out, guys. That's all meat, all taters. Yep. How about that, guys? Yeah. We're gonna get her done, as they say. Yeah. How about that? Like I said, I'm kind of going right against the grain a little bit, but that's all right. Of course, here's a scan pack. That's pretty slick. Wide body. I'm not a big wide body, guys. You know that. I just think the car's already about a foot wider than it needs to be. And you got this. And this, you know, they are what they are. At the time, that was nice. You're going to get the Buick in the day. There's a pub for that. Let's see what you got here. How about this? Here's another one. You got this. This is kind of a different deal. How about that? And you got, how about this? This is my grandson. He's all into that stuff. Of course, you got, like I said, I always thought they'd put blueprints in this bad boy, but actually that was the air conditioning ventilation, I guess. How about this? Take a look at it. Like I said, I am running the buzzsaw music. There's a lifted truck of some sort. I'll pan back over this way, guys. Some of these cars are all right drivers, as they say. That Camaro is definitely not a driver. I know I kind of concentrated on that. But yeah, we'll see. I am running right into the hot and heavy of music, so forgive me if I go blank on that. That. Yeah. That's rotisserie redo on that bad boy. Real sweet car. Check that out. And there you got noise, competing noise. Maybe it'll drown out that algorithm. How about this? maybe saw that ambassador last week. I'm not 100% sure. And of course, you got Papa's toy that says on it. You got this. This is for my grandson. We got this bad boy. Don't ask me what it is, why, when, what. It's an old one, but it does have the dice. You gotta give it up for that. Let's see what we got. I see they got the gobbledygook on both of these rides. That's slick. Yeah, how about that, guys? Yeah. Excuse me, guys. And then you got this. Everybody else, they have the old Fox body. That's a Mercury, though. You're not getting a good shot of it. It's kind of, that sun is like acting like my enemy right now, as they say.
My in-laws live on the other side of the Woodbury. Robin and Eddie, John's brother.
How about this, guys?
So I'll
gotta get the dog in. They always count for
I
a
know you
couple
don't
hits.
talk to Danny anymore.
Yeah.
You still live there. The ship is outside.
How about that? That's pretty slick. Like I said, the G bodies give me this any day of the week. I still haven't seen the one like it is the one. You know what I mean? Yeah, let me see what we got here. Of course, this is an extended Gabby. Let's see what we got, guys. I'm gonna try to get everybody's in. Like I said, I appreciate them participating, even if it ain't my cup of tea. You know. How about this 55, 6? I think it's a 55. That's pretty sweet. Watch out. Yeah, it's 55. Looks like, I like that velour interior that they did back in. That was really popular 10, 15, 20 years ago. Yeah, I like the leather. Hey guys.
Right.
Get this bad boy in. This Biscayne.
Yeah, I guess if
And this is sweet. I don't really like big cow hoods. Here's another Barracuda. And that's the cage in it, guys. Let me back up so you can see it a little bit better. Is that slick? But that one burgundy one that's in my Mopars at the Red Barns, that's the bomb. And here's another one. Hey, I got a train coming through it. They're gonna bomb my video, but maybe it'll shut down the music a little bit. How about this? This has to be some college football colors or something. They got purple and yellow. Yeah, let me take a look at this, guys. Check it out. There you go. You got this. Yep. Hey guys. If you watch YouTube, you will be on it in about 2 hours. Yeah, like I said, I'm getting bombed. Maybe I can bring a little bit to the party because got a train coming through here, guys. Just giving you a heads up. Maybe I can do this. Maybe I'll get this, guys, and get it so it's like freaking out. How about this, guys? This. Just a Corvette, not a Z06 or anything. Yeah. This cat's trying to back up, I think. He's trying to back up. He has nice blades with the top off it. Let me do this, guys. I'm sorry. This GTO is sweet. It's candy paint on it too. I'm not sure what's going on, but yeah, real sweet car, GTO. Yeah, that's, I'll tell you what, yeah, that's nuts. You got an SS. Oh wow. You got a bunch of these got cats coming in here. It must be a club or something. Oh man. Oh, yeah, check it out, guys. Just gonna get that in there. Got the homies and the. How about this? I talked to this guy before. He hasn't done about right. He's from Bergeron area. He has a real nice scene on it. Let me back it up so you can see a little bit better. Yeah, you got a big posse of these things. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. How about this? Yeah, you got something going on, guys. This is insane because there's a snake. Yeah, there's a bunch of people coming in tonight right now, guys. Just giving you a heads up. I'll get a little bit of it. Here's a nice GT. I looked into buying one of these. Real nice ride. I was looking at buying a bird on that. It's like that would have been a waste. I don't like birds anymore. I like how they put the top down, but that's about it. Where's you got this? That's not a 06 that I know of. That's a 06. Yeah, here's some bad boys coming in, guys. I'm just giving you a heads up. You had the train, you had the bikes. You had a little bit of everything going on here. That should do it right here. Get her. So anyways, let's get back at it, guys. Look at it. I mean, you have had everything and then some, guys. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but the hell with it. You got people staging, people taking off. Let me do this. This ain't my favorite, but it is. That's a nice one if you're going to have one. That's about as nice as you got. Oh, yeah. And this Transy, this thing needs a boatload of work, but it has the bones. Looks like it's 75, 76. It has that nose that mine had. That ain't cool. That's cool. Anyways, let's keep it going. Oh man. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Here's a Z. 67, 68. I'm never up on it. Yeah, 68. I guess if it has the side markers at 68, 67 doesn't. Here's a modern Mach. And I was looking into buying something like this. At least just looking. They had about $8,000 off at one in Granger Ford in Iowa, which was smoking. They had it for 52 something. It stickered for just about 61. I looked at it every day. It had, and I stared at it every day, but trying to figure out a way I could kind of make it mine. And next thing you know, it was sold. Oh, well, I guess it was meant to be. So let's see what we got here, guys. I'm gonna do this. Like I said, I've kind of got the noise tamped down, as they say. How about this? Oh, yeah. Way up here is a pain. How about this, guys? Let's do this. There's going to be a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'm going to see what we got. I don't know what the deal is because I'm going to go that way, guys, and then get that and maybe come back that way. There's a bunch of cars parked right there. Let's get this, guys. Let's do this. There's that Road Runner. That has to be a factory color because, like I said, nobody really likes that powdery yellow. It has to be a factory color. Let me see what we got. Oh, how about this? That car's probably... Oh, they ain't touching it. I figured for sure it'd be touching it. talked to that lady before. Let me do this again, guys. Wally said he was taking off. I got a buddy of mine that has that Transy. Z. Check it out. You got this. There's a little bit of everything, guys. Yeah, this is my buddy's car right here. It's about 30,000 miles on it. It's the original owner of it, too. Let me see this. Let's go down this way, guys. I don't think I got all this. The noise is the buzzsaw. That's what's killing me. Let me do this. We'll get the hell out of Dodge, as they said. Like I said, these guys have done everywhere and then some. Nothing. That's the bones. Yeah, like I said, those Malibus have been everywhere. We'll get her done and get her over with, guys. How about that, guys? I'll turn around in a minute here, guys. I just want to let you see what the rides are. It's busier now. I'll get up here in loud. Like I said, not on that rough line, but it is what it is. I got to get everybody in, otherwise they watch this tonight, and if I don't include them, they're going to go off on me. Let's see what we got.
Hey, Scott.
We'll do this.
Go for it, Tony.
Hey there. Just a couple quick announcements. People's Choice Award. We're going to close that at 6 o'clock in the next couple minutes here. So get
Like I said, you didn't see a lot of this stuff, guys.
We're also out.
Let me see if we
finding
got
the
it.
last few cars we need. We are selling 50/50 tickets. We got a couple people walking
It's
around.
busy, so you expect me to get everything and anything. Forget that. We'll do this. We'll get what we get, as they say. Yeah, there's big stuff, you guys. You don't get that every day of the week. There's multi-stuff, they call that. And you got this. I'm going to back up, guys. If the music's not playing, this is my opportunity to get through Dodge. Oh, yeah. Yeah, here goes hell and high water. Let's do this, guys. You're gonna see a little bit of this stuff over again. I'll be honest with you. I wanna catch everything before I get a Dodge. I don't know if I'm gonna stick around tonight. It's warm. It's busy. Yeah, and it's warm. It's busy, and the thing is, I'm just not feeling good. Let's see what we got. Everybody, our brothers here. How about this, guys? Yeah, we'll get back through here. Like I said, you're seeing a little bit of this over again, but I'm trying to include everything. The lighting isn't perfect for filming, I'll give you that. Let's go down here, guys, and see what they got down here. There's enough cars. I mean, I'm going to get some footage, I'll be honest with you. How about that? You You want to see something sweet, guys? There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
How about that, guys? This is 67 John Taylor's Plyle guy. I'm sure he does every show in town here because it's a real sweet ride. See that? That's a real nice 67. Yeah, how about that? That's that anniversary one, guys. Let me see what we got. Bonnie Shepherd 2002 collector. Yeah. Yep. Hey guys. Yeah, that's sweet. We'll get her. How about that? That's that alley. I mean, Kyle dealer. Sure. Oh, there's one alley. Oh shit, there's X. Anyways, pretty sweet ride. Let me see if we got this. Like I said, this is kind of scatterbrained, guys. You got some of this, some of that. Let me take her down there all the way to the end. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, let me see what we got. You're gonna get a little bit of gapping here, guys. I want to make sure I get everybody's ride, and just you get to see, you know, it's a little bit of everything, guys. Yeah. Hey guys. Of course, you got the dogs. Yeah. How about that, guys? That's pretty slick fire, right? You got the dog. Hey, how's it going? Yeah.
Yeah, little comic, yeah.
Let's see what we got. I'll be coming back in. Boy, I'll tell you what, it's like a 5-degree difference when that sun goes down. I'm not kidding you guys. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. I'm gonna try to get them all in. You got this. Oh no, here comes. I can't win with this music, guys. Check this Firebird out. It's just a Firebird, but it's a sweet one. They got those Year One wheels on it. It really makes it look nice. They're right deep dish. That. How about that, guys? Yeah. We'll get a little better shot of that. Yeah, you got this nice out. There you go. You know, the way the sun hits it, I almost thought it was black. It looked black, but that, you know how on an angle, that's dark green, isn't it? Yeah. From a distance, I was walking up to it, I was filming, I was like, that's black. No, dark green. How about that, guys? There's Wally's car again. Yeah, there's a fair amount of cars here tonight, guys. This is just a tune-up party, they say. And they got this, like I said, I mean, they got the bones. Guys, it's insane because yeah, this guy's behind it. I love that, guys. How about this, guys? I'm gonna do this. I'm not sure what they're doing. They're waiting, thinking, talking. I don't know if the guy behind them, they know someone's behind them or not. Oh, this is insane. How about that, guys? I saw that coming in. I know, I did not see that one. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, this is a hell of a turnout, guys. Here's a Vert with a nice interior. Oh, my God. Oh, like I said, this is not the best lighting, guys. Just giving you a heads up. But how about this, guys? 69 Vert Houndstooth. Just redone. Beautiful car. Oh my God. Well, hey, it's free promotion for you guys. That's a nice ride. Oh man. Oh man. Let's see what we got. This is a 392. Let's get back, as they say. Let's go down here, guys. There's cars this far down. This is the biggest I've seen it. This one is nuts. How about this? You've seen this before at Home and Ice. How about this? There's a nice Malibu. I mean, that's factory color, it has to be, because you just don't pick that like powdery yellow. That seems like that's on a ton of stuff. Yeah, that's the bones, as they say. That guy's been waiting on half a lifetime. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's do this, guys. It's hard for me to even see. I'm not kidding you. That sun is like right in my grill. Well, actually not on my grill, but just in my, just in the lens. Let me see if we can do this. Like I said, you're gonna see my shadow, which I don't like doing, but it is what it is. Do this, guys. Maybe you'll see something ride that you didn't see before. You'll see again. Here. How about this? I'm not kidding you, guys. It's insane. They're scatterbrained, all. That's what's nuts. I'm going to go a little this way, a little that way. Yeah. Let me do this. You got to have some noise coming in. Let's do this. That's it, guys. Let's do this. We're gonna go back into the saw, guys. Actually, it's quiet here. How about this? These guys, they like sitting in a hot car. No, just kidding. Probably getting ready to get out of Dodge. Yeah, pretty sweet. 69, never can go wrong with that. How about that, guys?
What time did you get down?
About 12:30.
See, we didn't know we had come that early.
You don't.
Let's do this, guys. You're gonna see a little bit of stuff. Second time, third time. Sweet ride. How about that? That's a nice 69, 68 Malibu. Let's see what we got. This is for the guys that missed it. Let's do this, guys. Let's get in there and let's get this thing done. Oh, that's that 69, guys, that you saw the people sitting in it. I should have waited it out. Just having a hard time getting it started.
Yeah.
How about this for a 64? Yeah. 83 stroke. This thing's eat off. Shit, stop. 65. No. How about that, guys? Oh, yeah. That's eat off material. And here's these vets. Like I said, I'm not down with the new ones. I don't care. I'm sorry, guys. We got this. Let me see what we got down here. There's some stuff down here, guys. I'm just giving you a heads up. Normally there's nothing at this building. I don't know if it's a church or whatever it is, I guess. I got some stuff down here. Yeah, this is all scatterbrained. I'm telling you guys. I'm not going to go all the way down there. I'm going to just let you... Really, you got basically that yellow Nova and that old truck. That's really what you want to see, I guess. Yeah, let me do this. Let me get in here, guys. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to stick around too long. How about this, guys? Do this. Get them all in. I'll leave anybody out. Let's get back over here, guys. Let's get those cars that I'm missing on the main drag. How about this little Extreme? That's pretty slick, as I say. There's a little raised hood. I was telling you, it has some pony under there, I guess. How about that? Big stroker motor, it looks like. It's like, whew, pretty nice, sweet car, sweet ride. That's all right. I'll let this Buick. I gotta do this, guys. It is busy here tonight. I'm just giving you a heads up. You're gonna see what I see. You're gonna get what I get. Let's do this. And here's a nice one. Personally, I like the. This is a great car. Don't get me wrong, but I like the Chrysler Rallies. I think those are the. I like the Rallies better than this, even though this is. Yeah, how about that, guys? Got someone to give my audience some gusto and whatever. How about that, Wally? I'll get you one more time. How about that? One more time. I'm gonna pan it. This is perfect. This is perfect weather. Or the sun's being blocked by the big dirty old cloud. Can't get better than that. You might have seen some of this, guys. I don't know. I know you've seen that side of it. Let's do this. I'll slow it down a little bit, guys. It's not feeling good, so. Anyways, let's see what we got. No. How about this, guys? We're gonna go down by the post office. There's some nice stuff there. Let me do this. There's that Roadrunner again. You saw that. You came, you saw. Let me see what we got here. We got this. Like I said, they got a little bit here, a little bit there. Gotta watch for the dew. I just stepped in some gum previously, so gotta watch for that stuff too. Yeah, let's check this out. Like I said, they snuck a couple over here. There's a Brickyard. Of course, I got a small Chevy V8 in this next stroker. Sorry, guys. I want you to see this Charger more than anything. Check this out. How about that for a car? And I'll tell you what, that thing is mint. That's black. You don't see any leaves, any stuff. Here's a nice 56. But this thing is the bomb. I mean, there is not a flaw in this freaking car. Check it out, guys. Look at that deer. Automatic on column. That's really a beautiful car. I'll back it up, guys. So, cars like this deserve a little extra loving, as they say. Let me do this. See that? Oh, yeah. Let me see what we else got there, guys. I'll film more if I can find more, as they say. Yeah, let's get in here. Let's get her done. Oh, man. We'll go this way. Maybe some new rides popped up. Something like that. I'll take another look at that. Like I said, that you could have got one for $52,999 at Ranger Ford. They got a blue one left, Grabber blue, but that red one is like, that's insane. You just don't see them. The local dealer has some off-color one. The only color you wanted, them things was red. Let's do this again. Let's get this done, guys. Yeah, like I said, I really like these. How about that, guys? That's modern day. I like the looks of that better than the 24 Mustangs. And they finally got the front end right on them. I didn't like the GT front. Let's do this. I hear some rumbling and some tumbling coming in. Maybe somebody's going out. There's a couple cars that aren't in the show. They just pulled in. See that, guys? Big one. See, look at that thing. That's like tricked out. That's actually Z06 or ZR1. One of them. That thing is like, you don't see these every day anymore. How about this? Yeah, ZR1. That was the last of them. Check that out. How about that, guys? You don't see that. Mark Royce, the head of GM, wrecked one of those going around the track at the Grand Prix. I guess it's like insane. His monster disc brakes on it. Yeah, that's it, guys. I think I'm going to get out of Dodge and hopefully enjoy the video.